Happy Wednesday. I hope that you all had a wonderful week this far. Can you believe that we're already halfway through the second week of June? I kid you not, the time is really flying by. Before we know it, I'm gonna blink and it's gonna be September all over again. Today I have this month's Watermarble Wednesday to share with you. Well, I should say the first water marble for the month, not this month. I actually wanted to do something more bright, especially seeing as it is spring, although we've been getting a lot of rain over here. So if you'd like to see how I came out with this look, keep on watching. For the base of my nail art, I'll be going in and using Sinful color Snow Me White, which usually helps to make the colors pop when you use a white base. You don't have to do that though. You can actually go ahead and use one of the lighter colors that you would be marbling with as your base color, but for me, I just love how the colors tend to pop against a white base. To help speed up the drying time and give my water marble nail art a smooth base, I'll be applying one thin coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat. Now that my nails have dried, I'll be going in and applying a generous amount of Girly Cosmetics Border Patrol, which will help make the cleanup process easier. To create the water marble nail art, I'll be using my TwinkledT Glamor Matte Marble Cup, and I'll just be pouring some room temperature bottled water into it. I'll also be using O.P.I's Keeping Suzi At Bay, and the yellow that I'll be using is also an O.P.I polish, and it is called Plant One On Me. So now I'll be going in and alternating between Keeping Suzi At Bay and Plant One On Me and dropping in little beads of polish. Throughout this you'll see me knocking the cup a bit. That's just me trying to get the drops of polish to spread a bit more so that I have more rings to work with, and it's actually up to you with how many rings you want. To help create the pattern in the water marble, I'll be using my What's Up Nails Pure Color No. 7 water marble tool. And now that my nails are all clean, I'll go ahead and apply one final coat of Girly Cosmetics What a Rush Top Coat. And here's one final look at my Watermarble Wednesdays navy blue and yellow tutorial. I love these colors together, and they just get me in the mood for spring. When it comes to water marble nail art, you have so many options and varieties in terms of what you can do, what colors you can use, what patterns you can make, so it's really up to you. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been here with me since the beginning, thanks so much for staying and continuing to watch my videos. As always, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up or a thumbs down. All the products that I used will be listed in the comment section down below as well, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask away and I will get back to you. And as always, stay glamorous.